are so excited to be here today to celebrate the launch of Ben's Chili in all of our Giant Food stores. It has been so tremendous to be able to watch the Giant Food family and the Ali family come together to bring this vision to life, to provide chili to all those who are in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Delaware.
Thanks for joining us in this huge celebration of a partnership that truly represents Washington, D.C. Giant Food and Ben's Chili Bowl.
Giant, the team that has worked so tirelessly to make this happen for us. So easy to work with them, and this beautiful store to have my ribbon cutting is a dream come true for me. So all I can say is thank you everybody for being here. Thank Giant and the team that has done so well to make this happen for me. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna lunch, won't you meet me there? I swear, you a big key on the throwing G-Town. He driving a hard bargain while I'm trying to talk him down. Man, you ready or not? I can bring a car around. If not, then let me know so I can go and shop around.
So I asked her if she had a man. She didn't answer, so I asked again. And baby, I ain't trying to force your hand. Baby, I'm just trying to understand why you try to play so hard to get. And my name ain't no Romeo, and you ain't Juliet. She said,
Chuck, baby, don't give up. Chuck, baby, don't give up.
they said,
Chuck, baby, don't